Introducing the 2-in-1 Hybrid Coffee Brewer for K-Cup and ground coffee by Sboly. This compact, innovatively designed machine fits perfectly with any space. Simply fill the water reservoir and press the K-Cup or ground coffee button. Hybrid technology brews coffee quickly and at the perfect temperature. Enjoy your cup of tasty coffee in just 3 minutes. Easily clean the coffee machine every 2 months by simply pressing 2 buttons. Enjoy a fresh and pure coffee taste with a 2-in-1 coffee maker by Sboly.
The K-Elite Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer is fully featured for maximum beverage customization, and the brushed finish and metal detail blends seamlessly with your kitchen. Increase your coffee's strength and intensity with Strong Brew from the K-Elite Brewer. Select from 5 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. For full-flavored iced coffee, brew hot over ice by selecting the Iced button. Need hot water for instant soups or oatmeal? Just press the hot water button. The large removable reservoir holds 75 ounces, which means you can brew 8 cups with just 1 fill. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. And the programmable on-off allows you to set the exact time your brewer turns on in the morning, helping to save energy. Using your K-Elite Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, select your brew size, and enjoy a perfect brew, hot or iced, every time. The K-Classic Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K-Classic Brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K-Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew every time.